Namaste everyone. Now let's study about Jwara Chikitsa from Charaka Chikitsa Sthana, first chapter. The doshas involved in Jwara Chikitsa are Sharika doshas Vata Pitta Kapha and Manasika doshas Rajas and Tamas. The synonyms of Jwara includes Jwara, Vikara, Roga, Vyati and Atanga. Features of Jwara includes Kshaya, Tamas, Papma and Mrityu. Next, the Pravritti, Prakriti, Prabhava or the manifestation of Jwara, which includes Santapa, Aruchi, Trishna, Ankamarta and Hridyata. Purvarupa or premonitory signs and symptoms includes Alasyam, Klama, Nayanasravam, Jrimpa, Gauravam and Anistitatva or uncertainty in liking and dislikings towards Jwalana, Atapa, Vayu and Ambu. Jwara Pratyatmalinga or invariable signs includes Santapa of Deha and Manas, that is Deha Santapa and Manasantapa. Here the Santapa means in case of Deha it is body temperature and in case of Mana the Santapa means unhappiness. Next is about the classification of Jwara. Vidhi Bedena it is divided into two types. They are one classification is Sharira and Manasika. Next is Prakrita or and Vaikrita and another one is Saumya Atneya. Next Andhaveka and Bahirveka and the last one is Satya or and Asatya. These are two types of classification, two sets of classification based on Vidhi. Next classification is based on Dosha, Kala, Bala and Abhala. Based on Dosha, Kala, Bala, Balatvam, 5 types of classifications of Jwara. They are called Vishama Jwara. Their names are Santata Jwara, Satata Jwara, Anyedushkam, Tritiyakam and Chaturthakam. And the next classification is based on Ashraya, that is 7 types. They are on 7 dhatus, that is Rasa, Rekta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja and Shukra. These are the Ashraya Bedana 7 types of dhatus. Next is about the Jwara Lakshana. Some general points are in Vata Paitika Jwara, we have liking towards cold things. And in case of Vata Kabaja Jwara, we have likings towards Ushna things. And in Sannipatika or Vata Pitta Kaba Jwara, it's Vyamisra Lakshanam or mixed. Next is we are telling about the nature of Vayu. That is Vayu have Yogavahi Guna. So, if Vayu combines with Tejas, it causes Daha or burning sensation, and if Vayu combines with Soma, it causes Shita. Next is about Andarvega and Bahirvega Jwara Lakshana. These both are Sukhasatya Vyatis. And in Andarvega Jwara, the Lakshanas are Andardaha, Adhikas Trishna, Pralabha, Shwasanam, Brahma, Shula in Asti and Santi, Asvedanam, that is no sweating, Dosha Vinigraha and Varcha Vinigraha. And in case of Bahirveka, we have only 2 Lakshanas, that is Atika Santapa and less Trishna. Trishna means thirst. Next is about Prakrita Jwara. This is also Sukhasatya Vyati. This droga manifests in Vasanta or Sharad Ritu. Pitta Kobanam occurs in Sharad Ritu and Kapha Samudhiranam occurs in Vasanta Ritu. That is, in Varsha Ritu, Jala and Aushadhi becomes Amla Vibhaga and it causes Pitta Sanchayam. This Pitta gets aggravated in the Sharad due to Aditi Tejas or sunrise and it causes Jwara. Here Kapha is secondary and Pitta is the primary dosha. Sharad Kala is Visarga Kala or the Kala of elimination, Kala for elimination. Thus we can do fasting or Upavasa here. Next, in case of Hemanta Ritu, the Vipaka is Mathura. That is for Jala and Aushadhi, the Vipaka is Madhura. Here Kapha Sanjaya occurs in Hemanta Ritu. These kapha gets aggravated or kapha prakopa occurs in Vasanta Ritu due to Surya Santapa and it causes Jwara. Here kapha is dominant. Kapha is the primary dosha involved here. Vasanta is an Athana Kala. Here Vata and Pitta have secondary role. Next is about the Satya and Asatyata of Jwara, that is curability and incurability. If a person is Balavan and if the doshas are in Swalpavastha and if no complications are for the Jwara, that is Anubhadrava, then that Jwara is Satya Jwara. And in case of Asadya Jwara, if Bahu Hetu is present, that is a lot of Nidhanas are present, and if Bahu Lakshana also present, that is signs and symptoms are many, and if the Jwara causes Indriya Nashana, then that condition or that Jwara is Asadya. Next is about bad prognosis. That is, if Tikshna Jwara is associated with Pralabha, the person will die or Marana will occur within 7 days. And if Tikshna Jwara is associated with Brahma, Marana occurs within 10 days. And if Tikshna Jwara is associated with Shwasa, Marana will occur within 12 days. And if the Jwara is, that is the Vyadhi is Gambira or and Balavan and occurs in a person with Kshina for Dirgharatri or several nights, then it is Asadya and produces Kesha Simanda in Rogi. It is a Lakshana which shows in Rogi. Kesha Simanda. Next is about Sandada Jwara. Aggravated dosha spreads all over body through Rasavaha Srotas. These causes Sandata Jwara. It is Shikhrakaritum or quick symptoms are manifested here. So Dussaha, that is difficulty to tolerate, and Prashamam or Handi, that is cures the disease, either cure or kill the person within 10, 12 or 7 days. That is, this disease either Prashama occurs or the person will die. It is Nishpratyineka. Here dhatus, malas, mutra and purisha getting affected. If the Rasadi dhatus get shuddhi or purified, the fever subsides in 7, 10 or 12 days. And if these dhatus do not get purified, the person will die. Thus, Sandata Jwara has 12 asrayas, that is 7 dhatu, 3 dosha, mutra and purisha. The treatment of Sandata Jwara is Kriya Krama Vidau Yukta Prayaha Prak Abatarpanaihi. That is, first Abatarpana is doing, later other treatments are doing. That is, always this Sandata Jwara is preceded with Abatarpana. Next is Sadata Jwara. Raktadhatu is the Ashraya or Adhisthana of Sadata Jwara. Vriddhi and Kshaya of Jwara is always based on Kala in this condition. Aharatre sadadago dvau kalanu vartade. That is, in day and night this occurs twice. Next is about Anyedushka, Tritiyaka and Chaturtaka Jwara. Here the Jwara manifests in Anyedushkam. The Jwara manifests with the support of Kala, Prakriti and Dushya. This obstructs in Anyedushka Jwara, the Medovaha Srotas are getting obstructed. Day and night fever occurs. In day and night the fever occurs only in once. Here Rakta Dhatu also gets affected. Next in Tritiyaka Jwara, here the fever occurs only after with a gap of 1 day. Astiva Srotas are getting obstructed here. Also Mamsa Dhatu are affecting. Next is Chaturtaka Jwara. This Jwara occurs after 2 days gap. Here the Majjavaha Srotas are getting obstructed and the Dhatus affected are Medo Dhatu. Next is about the types of Tritiyaka and Chaturtaka Jwara. There are 3 types of Tritiyaka Jwara and 2 types of Chaturtaka Jwara. Tritiyaka Jwara are Kapha Paitika and Vada Paitika and Vada Kabacha. If Kapha Paitika, the fever mainly affects Triga area. If it is Vada Kabaja, it affects Parshva, and if it is Vada Paitika, it affects Shira. In Chaturtaka Jwara, it's only 2 types, that is Kaphaja and Vadaja. If it is Kaphaja, it affects Shenka, and if it is Vadaja, it affects Shira. And also one more type of Vishama Jwara is explaining here, that is Chaturtaka Jwara. It affects 3 doshas and Dvidhatus. 3 doshas means Vada, Pitta, Kapha and Dvidhatu includes Majja and Asti. Next is about Dhatugata Jwara. The Sadhya Asadhyatattva of Dhatugata Jwara is if it is Rasa, Rekta, Mamsa and Meda Adhisthana, the Jwara is Sadhya. If it is Asti and Majja Adhisthana Gata Jwara, it is Kcha Sadhya. If it is Shukra Dhatu Gata Jwara, it is Asadhya. Now let's discuss about the Lakshanas of Dhatu Jwara. In Rasa Dhatu Jwara, the Lakshana includes Gurutvam, Bahisthabam, Chardi, Arojaka, Vijrumbanam. And in Rekta, Pidaka, Trishna, Rekta Stevanam, Pralaba, Daharaga, Brahma. In Mamsa Dhadugata Jwara, Andardaha, Trin, Moha, Glani, Taurgandhyam, Gatra Vikshebam. In Medo Dhadukada, Tivra Sweda, Pipasa, Pralaba, Apikshna, Vami, Asya Gandham. In Asti Dhadukada, Vireka, Vamanam, Asti Bedam, Pragojanam, Shwasam, Gatra Vikshepam. In Majja Dhadukada, Hikka, Shwasa, Kasa, Tamaso Darshanam, Marmacheda, Andardaha, Pahishaityam. And the last one, Shukrakata Dhadu, it is Shukra Moksha and Prana Vinashanam. Thus, it is Asadhya. Next, we are discussing about 8 types of Jwara. It's already mentioned in Nidana Sthana. And 8 types includes Ekadoshaja, Dvidoshaja, Sannipatika and Aganduja. Ekadoshaja are Vata Pitta Kapha. Dvidoshaja are Vata Pitta, Vata Kapha and Kapha Paitika. Sannipatika is all dosha and Aganduja is the 8th type. Now about Sannipatika Jwara. Here in this table it's given that doshas with the predominant dosha and the corresponding signs and symptoms are given. There are 13 types of Sannipatika Jwara based on the permutation and combination of these Vata Pitta Kapha and if it is Vata Pitta is in aggravated and Kapha is less aggravated, the signs and symptoms include Brahma, Pipasa, Daha, Gaurava and Shiroruk. If Vata and Kapha are in aggravated condition and Pitta is less aggravated, it is Shaityam, Kasa, Aruji, Tantra, Pipasa, Daha and Ruk. If Kapha and Pitta are predominant and Vata is less predominant, Charti, Shaityam, Daha, Trishna, Moha, Asti, Vedana is seen. If Vata is predominant, Kapha Pitta is less predominant, Santi Asti Shulam and Shira Shulam, Pralaba, Gaurava, Brahma, Trishna is seen. If Pitta is predominant and Kapha Vata is less predominant, Rekta, Vinmutram, Daha, Sveda, Trit, Palakshaya, Morcha is seen. If Kapha is predominant and Pitta Vata is less predominant, Alasyam, Aruji, Rilasa, Daha, Vamya, Aradi, Prama. If Vata is predominant, more predominant, Pitta is less predominant and Kapha is very less predominant or very lessly aggravated in Pradishaya, Charti, Alasya, Tantra and Aruji is seen. If Vata is highly predominant, Kapha is moderately predominant and Pitta is less predominant, Haridra Mutra Netram, Daha, Trishna, Brahma, Aruji is seen. If Pitta is highly predominant, Kapha moderately, Vata less, then Shiroruk, Vepadu, Shwasa, Pralaba, Chardya, Rojaka. And if Pitta highly, Vata moderately, Kapha highly, Shidatvam, Gaurava, Tantra, Asti, Shiroruk is seen. If Kapha predominant, highly, Pitta moderately, Vata less, Shwasakasa, Pradishaya, Mukha, Shosha and Parshuruk. And Kapha predominant, Vata moderately and Pitta less, Varchodedam, Agni Daurbalyam, Trishna, Daha, Aruji. And the 13th type is combination of all doshas. Thus, all signs and symptoms includes. That is, their signs and symptoms are Kshane Daham, Kshane Shidam. This is very important point. Kshane Daham, Kshane Shidam. Asti Sandhi Shiroruja. Netra is Sravi, Kalusha and Rekta in color. Ruja Karna, that is painful ear. Khanda is like Shuka Avrata, that is thorns are filled or covered with thorns. Tantra, Moha, Pralapa, Kasa, Shwasa, Aruji, Brahma. Jihva is like Degta, that is burned Jihva or Kharasparsha, rough touching. Stivana of Rekta and Pitta mixed with Kapha. Trishna, Nidra Nasha, Hridivyada. Chiradarshanam or Alpadarshanam of Sweda, Mutra, Purisha, Krishatvam, Kandagojanam. Skin have lesions like Koda, Shyavarekta and Mandala. Mugatvam or Mugada, that is deafness, Udara Gurutvam and Chirapaga of doshas are seen in Sannipadika Jwara, that is 13th. All three doshas are equally involved here. Next is about Aganduja Jwara. There are four types of Aganduja Jwara, that is Abhikadaja, Abhishankaja, Abhicharaja and Abhishapaja. Abhikadaja is if injury occurs due to any external avastha, then the recta gets dushya by vada. Here the vada causes the vada, recta gets dushanam by vada and causes vyatha, shofa and vivarnya, ruja associated with jwara. Next is about Abhishankaja Jwara. Here Vayu aggravates due to Kama, Shoga and Bhaya and Pitta aggravates due to Krodha. All three doshas also aggravates here on three malas. Here Buddhas are afflicting and Buddha Samana Lakshana are seen, that is 8 types of Buddha Lakshana. Abhishankaja Jwara also manifests due to Sparsha of Visha Vriksha and Anila. This is the opinion of some other acharyas. Next is Abhicharaja and Abhishabaja. Here these are the Sannipadika doshas are involved here. So in this Jwara, Sannipadika Jwara Lakshanas are shown. Next is about the general Samprapti of Jwara. Here dosha Kobana occurs, that is Vada, Pitta, Kapha either in Samsrishta or Sannipadika or Prudatva, that is either in 2 combination or 3 combination or individually the doshas are aggravating, and this aggravated dosha spreads to 7 dhatus. Later the Jatrakni gets dislodged. This causes the increase in the Ushma of Deha, causes Rodho Rodha. Later this temperature or this body heat will spreads all over body, causes Jwara. In Taruna Jwara Avastha, that is first stage of Jwara, no Sweda or absence of Sweda is seen due to Srodho Rodha and Agnisthana displacement. Thus in Taruna Jwara, not that Taruna Jwara there won't be Sweda. Next is Ama Jwara Lakshana. Aruchi Avipaga, Udara Gurutvam, Hridaya Avishuddhi, Tantra, Alasyam, Lala Prasega, Hrillasa, Kshutnasham, Mugavairasyam, Stapta Supta Gurutva of Gatra, Bahumutra, Navidjirnam, Glani. These are the Amajwara Lakshana. And Pachimana Jwara Lakshana includes Adhiga Trishna and Jwara, Pralapa, Shwasanam, Brahma, Utklesha of Mala Pravrti is seen. This is only about the first part of Jwara Chikitsa. We will discuss the Chikitsa portion in the next part of our video. Thank you for watching this, and if you like our video, please subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you very much. Namaste everyone.